Everybody, Anthony with SmartRE Solutions here with another quick tip video. Today's video, we're going to go over in the Matrix Classic Edition how to make a saved search in the MLS system. That way you can always go back and access that criteria without having to regenerate it. So let's get started. So once you're in the MLS system and you've put in your criteria for your clients to pull up information and you hit results, very simply, what you're now going to be able to do, looking at your results, if you want to make this a saved search because you want to go back in again and again for your clients to see new updated information, just simply come down below to the bottom left-hand corner. And next to the Actions tab, there's a tab here that says Save. When we click on the Save button, we now get several tabs that now appear underneath at the bottom left, one of which says New Saved Search. From here, when we click on New Saved Search, we're now going to fill in the required information to make a saved search. Very easy. You can make the name of the saved search anything that you want, but you want to make sure that it's something that's easy for you to remember what criteria you're using or that you've created for this search. So you can make it the client's name if you want. But again, if I were to go and no longer have Billy Bob as my client, how would I know what information would be in Billy Bob's search to maybe apply this search to other future clients? So in this case, what I would do is I would name the saved search some of the criteria that you used in the saved search. So in this case, or in this search. So in this case, maybe I say active in the cities, Fountain Valley and Aliso Viejo, and maybe 1.2 million to 1.5 mil. And maybe you had single family or condo or what have you. Now, one other nice, really cool thing here about a saved search is that I'm going to make it a favorite. Now, in our Matrix system, we have a widget called Favorite Saved Searches. You can have up to 20 of them there on your home screen to access real quickly. You can make technically every saved search a favorite, but then only the first 20 would appear in that widget. So I like to make my favorite searches for my active clients. And from here, after I do that, I just hit save. Now, once I hit save, this now takes us back to our results screen where I can now go through and look at more information. Now, with that saved, or because I made this property a favorite saved search, I'm going to come back here to the home screen and I can see where my favorite saved searches are. That way, if I wanted to, I see the saved search. And if I wanted to, I can just simply come in tomorrow, click on the name of the saved search, and it reruns the search criteria, giving me any and all data that matches. Now, I'm going to show you a little cheat here with the favorite saved searches widget, and that is, say come tomorrow, I had 150 properties versus 131. Well, how do I know which ones are brand new? Well, this is where I really like the favorite saved search widget here in the Matrix Classic Edition. If I come down below and look at this widget, and I see here at the bottom right-hand corner of this widget, there's a button that says Update All. What this does is it runs all my favorite searches, and it tells me how many new listings have come on the market since the last time I ran that search. So if I click on Update All as an example, we see that there are several saved searches that I have here that I have brand new properties. When I go and click on that number, in this case, maybe this one here that says 56 new, when I click on that 56 new, I will only see those brand new listings. So only those 56. Whereas if I clicked on the name of the saved search, so here we're going to click on the name of the saved search instead, we see that there are 57 properties, 56 of which are brand new. because again, since the last time I ran it. So if it's been a week or a month, that information is going to update. But this is a great way of being able to keep up to date on your clients. So if I happen to see that between yesterday and today, or yesterday and 2 days from now, there are 3 or 4 new properties, maybe I reach out to my client, let them know that maybe there are some new homes that meet their criteria that they should look at via their email. With that said, I hope everybody enjoyed today's quick tip on how to make a saved search and a favorite saved search. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a class, please feel free to give me a call or shoot me an email. I can be reached at either 949-235-8582 or via email at Tony, Tony, at SmartRE Solutions. That's SOLUTIONS.net. With that said, I hope everybody has a great day. Bye.